Hi, this is CGBeck from my kitchen, and it's late. I've been working all day. I'm hungry, and so I'm going to make a quick meal. So what I've decided to make is a turkey bacon with egg, scrambled egg, and cheese burrito. And this is quick, but it's not necessarily what I should be eating this late at night, but this is what I want. Okay, let me get started. Okay, so my first step is to lay the bacon out on the plate because it's going into the microwave. As you know, turkey doesn't really have a flavor to it, so what I do is I spray a butter oil onto it, and then I add a little salt and pepper to it. Okay, and then I cover it with a paper towel so it doesn't pop all over my microwave. I'm a clean freak, okay? And I mix my eggs with the salt and pepper, and I put some scallion in them because I love scallion. And they grow in my garden, so you know, hey, they're the best. Okay, so all right, so let me get this in, and we'll get on to the next step. Okay, and this is what it looks like when it goes into the microwave, and it has the paper towel over it. I have the little sheets. And this is actually what I normally use, a covering. It keeps food from popping all over the microwave and keeps it clean, okay? And that goes for about a little less than 3 minutes, but of course you know that depends on your microwave, the heat that it gets, okay? So, let's go on and get that started, and let's see. I've got my pan ready for my scrambled eggs, which is probably going to wound up being an egg omelet, okay? And it's going to go on to these. I'm so ready for this meal. All right, on to the next step. Okay, so the bacon is done. That was fast. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. And it's nice and crisp. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And the omelet is coming along nicely too. Okay. Okay, so that's my flipped omelet. And now I'm going to put some cheese on it. Okay. So here's the cheese on it. And when I fold it, it's going to melt. The cheese, that is. And here's the fold. But the cheese will start melting out on the inside there. That side is a little bit raggedy, not quite perfect. It's actually a pretty good omelet, okay? Alrighty. You know what? I forgot that I was making a burrito. So I wound up with a egg omelet and toast. So how am I going to have toast in a burrito? That is way too much dough. Okay. Okay, so here we are. We have the egg omelet with cheese and scallion onions. We have turkey bacon there. We have toast with butter and grape preserve. But it was supposed to be a burrito. I don't know how it got changed up. That's what happens. I like to dip my eggs in ketchup, so that's why we have the ketchup here. And I normally would have put the toast on another plate if I was serving someone, but there's no one here. This is me. This is for me, and I'm getting ready to chow down. Thanks for joining me. Okay, so I know I was supposed to be done with this, but I thought I need to try it first. Let me twist this around. And guess what? I'm back with the computers. Oh my goodness. This egg is so delicious. I don't even need salt added. Oh my God. This is so good. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich today, some potato chips and peanuts. I have been working, and when I start working, I don't even feel like I'm hungry. Okay, so now I am. All right, bon appetit. Bon appetit to me. And this is the way I throw down when I'm hungry. And notice, there is absolutely nothing under there. That is freaking ridiculous. But it was so good. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And come back and see the next meal.